Crypto Twitter is awash with the rumor of SEC Chairman Gary Gensler resigning from the regulatory agency. Pro-XRP attorney John Deaton commented on the rumors, saying in a recent development, crypto lawyer John Deaton expressed his thoughts on XRP's expected price. Although XRP has yet to cross $1, Deaton thinks it is dependent on Bitcoin. BTC, the biggest cryptocurrency by market size, to reach its all-time high of $3.84. Despite Judge Annalisa Torres' recent finding that XRP is not security, the cryptocurrency has failed to exceed the $1 milestone. The decision by Judge Torres was keenly awaited within the XRP community, and it resulted in a large price increase for XRP. However, contrary to common belief, the digital currency did not reach the expected price levels in the aftermath of the judgment. John Deaton, who represents XRP holders, has great hopes for the cryptocurrency. Deaton replied to criticism of the digital currency market's modest price growth this year in a recent Twitter tweet. He noted that the dissatisfaction exhibited by certain holders stems from disappointed expectations. The pro-XRP attorney predicted that, despite the positive verdict, XRP will not hit a new all-time high since, like every other currency in the market, it receives its growing power from Bitcoin. BTC. Nonetheless, he predicted a break over the $1 resistance level, which did not come to fruition. "It's all about expectations," tweeted John Deaton. "Unless we were in a complete bull market headed by Bitcoin, I never expected XRP to reach an ETH, even after a favorable judgment. And I said this when questioned about my price predictions, though I did anticipate it to break $1 honestly. But I don't anticipate anything else to breach the ETH until Bitcoin does. But for all the skeptics out there, remember this: you can't argue with facts." Despite a 70% increase immediately after the verdict, XRP failed to break over the 84 cents barrier. This serves as a reminder of the volatile nature of the digital currency ecosystem and the significance of appropriately regulating expectations. Deaton is cautiously hopeful about the future of XRP. While he feels that breaking the ambitious ETH of $3.84 set over 6 years ago is unrealistic, he believes that breaking the $1 mark is doable. However, Deaton believes that this is contingent on Bitcoin, by Tetra, constantly retesting its price. He does not foresee major positive momentum in XRP's price until such a breakthrough happens. According to CoinMarketCap, XRP is now selling at 6,337 cents, a 10% decline over the previous month. Market participants are keeping a careful eye on XRP's performance, particularly the possible influence of Bitcoin, BTC, on its price trend. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC of the United States, U.S., has taken a critical step by finally filing an appeal in response to a significant court judgment issued in July. This important decision resulted from the SEC's legal battle with Ripple Labs, in which the court found that the sale of XRP to individual investors did not qualify as a security. This news was sent to Judge Annalisa Torres, the presiding judge in this case, just yesterday. Clearly, the SEC believes that the significance of her judgment requires a re-examination by an appeal court. According to the SEC filing, interlocutory review is warranted here. These two concerns include major legal matters on which there is tremendous room for disagreement, as seen by an intra-district division that is already formed. The SEC specifically requests that the court confirm the court's ruling that defendants is programmatic offers and sales to XRP, purchasers through crypto asset trading platforms, as well as Ripple's other distributions in compensation for labor and services, did not comprise the offer or sale of securities under the Securities Act. Judge Annalisa had methodically articulated her goals within the confines of the U.S. Southern District Court. These preparations included a trial that would go into unknown territory, addressing matters that had not been addressed in the earlier petitions for judgment. This trial has been tentatively scheduled to take place in the second quarter of 2024. The SEC has established a time frame for the arduous task ahead in its official proposal. A prominent point of attention is Ripple's impending response, which is due on August 16, 2023, only 1 week after the aforementioned letter was filed. The SEC offers a precise series of actions to meticulously coordinate the ensuing phases. On August 18, an opening brief explaining the reasons for the appeal will be submitted. This compels Ripple to draft a response within 2 weeks. The SEC, poised at the helm of this legal dance, is ready to give a rejoinder within a week, depending on the judge's approval of this planned legal pass to Troy. Crucially, the scope of the U.S. SEC's appeal is well defined. In contrast to a larger challenge to XRP's designation as a security, the agency's attention is on a more nuanced canvas. The appeal focuses on the consequences of the token's programmatic and individual sales, with the government declining to argue the wider categorization judgment. Because the SEC does not yet have the right to appeal, they are requesting permission to file a interlocutory appeal. Next Tuesday, Ripple will submit its answer with the court. John Deaton, a prominent cryptocurrency supporter and lawyer, has highlighted why XRP is unable to reach $1 despite the coin receiving regulatory clarification in the SEC Ripple case. In the SEC Ripple litigation, U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres announced the much-anticipated summary judgment ruling. The court deemed XRP a non-security in his judgment. However, as many projected, XRP did not see significant advances. On Binance, XR peaked around 93 cents on the day of the judgment before plummeting ever since. In general, CoinGecko data suggests that the currency jumped to roughly 85 cents a few days following the verdict. Several XRP supporters have voiced dissatisfaction with the coin's inability to reach $1 despite regulatory certainty. In a tweet today, Attorney Deaton said that many people would not have believed him if he told them that XRP would have regulatory certainty but would not reach $1. People would have been skeptical if he had also informed them that PayPal will establish a dollar-pegged stablecoin on the Ethereum network and that ETH would not rise. The pro-XRP lawyer said that Bitcoin, the world's biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, dominates the market. Like it or not, Bitcoin drives this market, added Deaton. According to Deaton's tweet, Bitcoin influences the price fluctuations of other crypto assets. It is worth remembering that Bitcoin rose to about $31,500 on the day Judge Torres pronounced XRP a non-security. However, the top asset class fell below $30,200 the next day. Meanwhile, Deaton recently said that he never expected XRP to reach a new all-time high. Before Bitcoin, Deaton believes that XRP will only reach a new high when Bitcoin leads a complete bull market. But I don't expect anything else to break its path until Bitcoin does, Deaton added. According to CoinGecko statistics, Bitcoin is down 57.45 from its all-time high of $69,044. In recent days, the top crypto asset has been trading at roughly $29,000.